All right, guys, I'm greeting you all here and welcome you to this exciting channel that I showed some beautiful strategy that earn you massive money whenever you're trading with my strategies. You know, I am always good at dropping beautiful strategies, and here again is one of those good strategies that I drop for people to you know, extract money from. This one is a very profitable one, very profitable one, and very simple to also make plenty money from this one too. Because this one also gives you much pretty entering opportunity. It's just for you to apply the passion. Like I always say to you, that this business is all about patience. It's not something you want to rush in and rush out. You want to wait for those areas, those killing areas that once you applied, you enter a trade from those areas, you're very sure that you are getting at something with, you are going at something. You know all of that, right? So this is one of those exciting and profitable strategies that I want to share with you here in this channel. And it's always a beautiful taste to have you here. It's always a pleasure to have you here. And I want to say thank you for always being there and liking my videos, subscribing to my channel. So here again, I want to appeal to you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos and leave some good comments too. If this video interests you, leave some beautiful comments. And any area you don't understand, you can as well comment too, so that we can put things right for you to understand, right? You can see here I'm trading, right? I am scalping with this one, right? So you can see my TP. So I'm expecting this this trade to hit my TP so I can cash out too. Although this one, like I've said earlier, is all about, we're going to be using this for scalping. At the same time, we can also use this to catch the spike too. All right. So here now I am scalping with this one. So I'm trying to show you the video how to scalp with this one. I won't be talking about the spike catching side, right? So, but here is to guide you up on how you can scalp with this successful. I want to also let you know that one thing about trading, one is patient, another one is identifying those key areas that you can trade from and make plenty profit. If you can identify those areas, and those areas will also help you to give you the confidence to hold your trade for a long time. But here, this one now, our target is just 5 candlesticks, 10 candlesticks. All right, so I will advise you out there to target 5 candlesticks. Once he hits those areas you want to enter the trade from, you can have your target at 5 candlesticks and make and use a better loss side and move out of the market and get yourself another and wait for another wait for the trade to hit the area, those interesting areas that you can enter from. All right, so you can apply this strategy while you're trading any of the boom and crash. It's either crash 1000 or boom 1000 or crash 500 or boom 500. All right, so you can apply these strategies in any of these pairs. All right, so this is very interesting. It's a profitable one. This thing is something you can just have your target as 5 candlesticks and make that money and leave the market and wait again for the market to hit your interest. There are those areas of interest. You can see here, you can see what happened. The moment this spike came and got to this area, all right, this zone, all right, so what happened? I quickly entered the trade, and what did I get? My target is just, ordinary 10 candlestick is my target, but I advise you to have a target of 5 candlesticks, but I'm going even more than that. But do not follow me because you don't know the size of my equity, right? So just have your target as 5 candlesticks. So let me also backtest and show you what has been happening once it hit that area. Imagine all of this. It got to this area, this oversold area, this area is the oversold area. You understand? So what happened? You have a 5 candlestick and then you can leave the market. All right. So you can see all of this. Once it hits, the spike gets to this area, you have your 5 candlestick. You can leave the market and make plenty money. You can use a better glossary because it's a very strong and accurate strategy that once it gets to that area, trust me, you are going to get something. All right. This is not something you want to trade and lose or lose. This is something you trade and make profit. All right. So you can see all of this. Just at 5 candlestick, you make money. All right. The zoom level we are talking about here is the 3rd zoom level. All right. You can see it's hitting my TP right now. My TP has been knocked. All right. So you can see how much I've gathered. I've made that money. So so you can use the 3rd zoom level, all right? So you zoom to the last and this and X. So you can see this. It is a very clear one that you can actually see easily, right? This is a very simple strategy that make you plenty money because it gives you the opportunity to have multiple entering opportunity. So what you do is to wait for the time the trade got to this area, this oversold area, then you can enter your trade and make money and leave the market. Have your target at 5 candlesticks, all right? So let me also take you back to, all right, please do not fail to subscribe to this channel and like videos, and like my videos, and turn your notification on for more of my video, all right? Again, I also want to tell you that I also manage people accounts here, which I trade 3 times in a week, and these 3 times, the profit I will making out each of my trading, whatsoever I make out, we are going to split it by 50-50, and 50 will be yours and 50 will be mine. All right, so I manage people account. So if you want me to manage your account, you can also call in for that, so I can manage your account. I also mentor people here too. So if you want me to mentor you, you can as well call in for that. So you can have your way of trading. You can know how you can know the principles about trading and all of that. You shall be taught about all of that, all right, and how to catch the spikes too. So if you want mentorship, you can as well call in for that. And again, if you also want the VIP group, all right, so you can as well call in for that too. The VIP group where I drop my beautiful signals and people who have subscribed to my channel so they can be making money. Whenever I drop signal, they trade from that signal and make money all right? So if you want to join the VIP, you can as well ring me up for that so I can guide you on how you can go about that. All right, so there's also a free Telegram channel, which most of the results we get from the VIP, I dropped it there. So I really don't want to, so I can already, okay, my TP have hit out, so I don't have any problem already, so I've made my profit already. So all of that is made possible here. So any of this package you're interested, so you can call in, all right, so I can guide you on how you can go about it. Okay, let me show you how the strategy I'm using here. It's just a very simple one, but so powerful. You can see here, my trade just see the TP, all right? So you can as well apply this while you're trading any of the boom and crash pairs. Let me go to crash now, right? Let's do crash 1000. Let's do crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Okay, it's coming up. So so this is crash 1000. All right. So in crash here, we want to trade. We want to catch. We want to scalp whenever it gets to this overbought zone. This is the overbought zone. So you can see what happened. The spike came, and you can have your target at 5 candlesticks and leave the market. All right. So you can see all of that. So let me backcheck so you can see all of this. So it's a very profitable strategy that gives you a lot of profit while you're trading with this one. All you need to do is just to apply the pressure and let the trade hit this area. You can trade from either the support or the resistance level. That's the two key area you need to trade for, and have your target at 5 candlestick and make money. All right, so let me show you the strategy I'm using so I can close out. So I don't keep this just a long time. So I'm using just one indicator, and this is the indicator I'm using. It's called the Williams percent range. All right, so this is the strategy. So the period is 100. All right, the period is 100. And the style I'm using here is PSO 4, and the color is color red. The level I'm using is -50. Alright, so I'm done with this. It's such a simple one, but so strong and powerful. So you just apply that. You go to indicator list. You can always go to indicator list and search for the Williams percent range. So this is it. After stochastic oscillator, you can find it down there. So look at it here. So I'm done with this. So let me close out so I can save time and do other things. So I wish you best. Apply this. Try this out with your demo account, and you can switch to your real account. Remember 5 candlestick. So at this point, I believe you. I wish you all the best while you're trading today. Bye.